So one of the topics we have for today is gold. Not necessarily gold specifically, but how gold is related to what's going on with oil and what's going on with the dollar and what's going on in the Middle East. So for starters, gold right now is trading near 5,000 an ounce, and the conflict in the Middle East entered the third week, and investors are weighing the inflationary impact of higher oil prices. Now, right now, the crude fluctuated to around $100 a barrel. That's true. Now, what does that mean? Basically, if we go here to the, for example, this is a chart for Exxon. Now, look at this. So Exxon's chart continues to go up, up, up with the price of oil right now. Now, at the same time, if the price of oil is going up, that also means that the DXY is going to go up. Now, let me explain that. The DXY, the US dollar index, has been experiencing an upward trend, rising to around 100 to 100.5 level by mid-March, marking its highest point since late 2025. This surge is largely driven by safe haven demand stemming from the Iran conflict and increased inflation concerns. Okay, so bearing that in mind, as oil goes up, so does the strength of the dollar. As the strength of the dollar goes up, then you'll see the strength or the price of gold and silver go down, because gold and silver are priced with dollars. So let's take a look at that. For example, here is, again, going back to Exxon. Let me point out a couple of show you some of the things with the charts here. Right now, Exxon is trading at 157 thereabouts. And if we go here, the RSI is sitting here at about 64, okay? Now, if we go here to some of the chart patterns, you'll see that basically it's running pretty smooth. And then right over here, right about, it just goes up like a hockey stick right here. Now, if we go over here, this is one of the big metal miners. This is Newmont. As you can see with them as well, as gold goes up, so do the miners, okay? This is Newmont Corporation. They're seeing great increases in their price chart right there. Now, at the same time, like I said, you will see the DXY going up as well. Just like right here, around the 100 to 100.5 level by mid-March. It's at the highest point since 2025. So let's go back here and let's break down a little bit right here on Exxon. Just to point out Exxon, how they're going up along with the price of oil. When the price of oil goes up, the value of the dollar goes up. And when the value of the dollar goes up, again, that's part of the reason why gold is staying here, hovering at around 5,000. It's not shooting upward as much as it could be, because it's priced in dollars. And as the value of the dollar goes up, well, then the value of the gold actually goes in reverse, because the more the dollar goes up, then gold goes down. If the dollar goes down, then gold goes up. It works kind of like that. So let's go back here just to do a little bit of analyzation with the charts. Let's look for a couple of chart patterns right here. You'll see right here, basically here you have a double top, and double bottom. Now what this means is you can see as these chart patterns happen, the chart will either go up and down based on, like if it's double top, it goes down. If it's a double bottom, it goes up. Now let's look right here with this chart, what's happening with the trading. So for example, you will see that as all this price action, you also see a lot of the trade volume going up. See the trade volume here? These are the trade volume. And you can see a lot more trade volume when there's a lot more price action. Now, let's look over here at Newmont. This is a major, for example, if you're not familiar with Newmont, it engages in the exploration and acquisition of gold properties, copper, and silver. So right now, let's look at how the trading is going for Newmont. As you see, there's more price action, you have more trade volume. See the trade volume bars right here. All that price action equals more trading, okay? Now, again, as there's more problems with the Strait of Hormuz in the Middle East, you will continue to see prices of oil go up. Also right here, you'll notice that US oil is sitting right here at 90.96, and right there, the futures of oil are going straight up right now because of what's going on in the Gulf. As that goes up, the value of the dollar continues to go up, and that will reflect also in the price of gold and silver. And then also, you'll see that reflect in the miners and also in the oil prices as well, and in the for example, the oil companies. So having said that, if you enjoyed this piece of analysis, enjoyed the updates, let me know. There'll be more to come.